Hey there, welcome to AutoAppy. Today I'm going to show you how you can capture all the data which will be submitted in your website form and fetch automatically into the Google Sheet without using any code but with the help of the AutoAppy. AutoAppy is a no-code platform where you can build a automated workflow and make your work smoother and faster. So without wasting any time, I'm going to switch on the Auto API. Just tap the new app button, tap Auto API, enter it.
So this is a landing page of AutoAppy where you can find there is a multiple section is available here. If you discover in this section we provide a list of application, so you can use this application while using or creating your workflows. If you scroll down, there is a list of template also available which can be directly used into your businesses, so you can boost your businesses. Now let's create the workflow by simply tapping the workflow.
Just tap on the add the workflow. Give it the name of your workflow. I'm going to give it like Elementor to Google Sheet. Elementor to Google Sheet. Yeah. Okay. Now just save it. Okay. So the trigger. I'm going to select the trigger application, which will be for our case is Elementor. Just take the trigger action, new form submission, and add a first step. Okay. The question might be arrived. What is trigger? Trigger is basically if statement. It asks the question if condition is made up, what should be done? In our case, if the form is submitted, it should be going to fetch all the data into the Google Sheet. So let's set the trigger. Just tap on the graph, and to set the trigger, you have to firstly set the web URL. Here is all the steps given below how to set the webhook URL. I'm going to copy this webhook URL. This is our website, uh, and just go to the edit with Elementor. It will be take some time. Okay, it is loaded now. Now just scroll down and tap on the one of the column, so the form field will be appear. Just close it, and you can see action after submit. So it is basically what action should be submitted after submitting the form. Just open it and add the webhook. As soon as you are going to add the webhook, you can see the webhook option is appear. Just open it up, and the webhook URL you copied from here, paste here. So to set the webhook URL is basically mean that we want to send the data through the webhook. And yeah, we set our webhook URL, now published it. So we integrated our webhook URL with the form. Now just tap the preview changes. Okay. To test the form, we set the webhook URL. I'm going to add the sample data, but before adding the sample data, I'm going to start capture sample data. Just start it, give it the name. I'm going to use John Doe, John at the rate gmail.com. Phone number should be, give it the address. It is going to ask me, would you like a sample pack? I'm going to say yes. And okay, as soon as you're going to hit the submit button, all the data is going to fetch in this column. Let's hit the submit button. All the data sent successfully. Come to your auto FP and check the status. Okay, all the data we filled there is successfully appeared here. So our webbook setup is successfully done. Now we are going to add our action application. Just close it, tap the plus button and choose your action template. I'm going to use action Google Sheet. Okay, we provided a multiple endpoints in here. For our case, I'm going to use insert a row in a Google Sheet. Just tap on it and add this endpoint. I'm now going to create a new connection, create a new one connection and connect with Google. Choose the account you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Now they are going to ask the permission and the access. Just click on the continue. Okay, our connection is built up successfully. Just save the connection and yeah, our connection built up successfully. Now they are going to ask Google Sheet ID. First, make sure you map the data. Now, let me tell you what we have put in Google Sheet ID. Google Sheet ID is something where you want to store all the data. For our case, I want to store all the data which will become from my website is going to store here. So this is my Google Sheet ID. Just copy it, paste here. As soon as you paste your Google Sheet ID, you can see all the sheets available is available here. In our case, there is only sheet 1. Sheet 1 is appear. Now you can see all the columns which will be available. First column, first name, last name, email, phone number, address. Would you like to sample pack is appear here. First name, last name, email, mobile number, address, and would you like a sample pack? I'm going to simply map the data. So you can see the plus icon here. Let me introduce this. This is called a mapping button. It is basically all the data received from the previous node. You have to fetch here. Let me show you how we can going to do it. Just tap on the map plus button, select the category. In this list, you can see all the previous node where it will be connected. Just select the Elementor and select the field. It will be going to show you all the field which will be available in this previous node. Now I want the name, first name as a John. So connect it and confirm it. Last name should be going to be Doe. Confirm it. Map the email address, which is john@email.com. Mobile number confirm it, address, confirm it, and your answer. Okay. Now we have successfully mapped all the data. As soon as I'm going to hit the submit button, all the data which will be submitted from here is going to fetch in our Google Sheet. Let's see it. Hit the submit button and test this application. You can see our task executed successfully, hide the sample data and show the sample data, row inserted successfully. Now we are going to see all the data in our Google Sheet. Yeah, all the data which will be filled up in the website is fetched here. So our automation is working perfectly fine. I'm going to add a new data which is Richard Parker gmail.com phone number. This one. Yes. Just hit the submit button. It sent my data successfully and you can see the data, all the data is fetched here. So, so this is how you can fetch all the data which will be submitted from your from your website directly into the Google Sheet. Okay. So today we see how we can submit, how we can fetch all the data which we submitted in from our Google's site, websites. So if you want to stop this manual grind and start automating your businesses, hit the subscribe button so you can find more automated and more practical videos on this channel. If you like this video, just make sure you just like the video and share with your friend. And if you want the link of this automation, just find the link in the description below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.